Alright guys, so we got a G37 Coupe, and I'm going to show you how to remove the trunk off of this car today. We already removed the camera, so you can watch that video if you need to know how to do that. First things first, we are going to follow the wiring and see where it goes into the chassis. So have a clip remover ready. You're going to have to pop this clip out. You don't need a clip remover for it. So pop that out like that. That frees up the carpet right there. And then just kind of follow this down. And there's clips, might be hard to see, but there's going to be clips that are holding these panels up. Like so. So once you have that freed up like that, you can get access to where this harness comes in, and you don't need to be able to see like very visually in here. Just grab that loom of the harness and make sure that it comes out. What I like to do is I'll push the grommet from the inside out and make sure that the harness that I am gonna unplug is the correct harness. And there's going to be a little plug right here. Get a flathead or a panel popper. Put that in there, twist it sideways. That comes out like that. You want to do this first before undoing the trunk from the hinges, because if it's all off of the hinges and floating around everywhere, it's going to be kind of annoying to work with. So now we're going to go over here. Do the hood hinges last. So you want to free everything up. We're going to get up under there with either a flathead or a panel popper. We're going to pop that off like that. Lay this down. Go do the other side. That's all free. Okay, so get under it like that. Just walk it up a little bit. Watch out, because these sometimes tend to fly off. I've seen them go flying before. So once that's out of your way like that, hi Zach. Hi, say hi to Zach, everybody.
Hello. Hi.
Once you have the trunk struts off right there, get your 10 mil. Be careful when you loosen that up, because it is going to want to fall. You don't want to dent that. Come over to this side. Same thing. When you get that second bolt off, it's going to want to fall. Just kind of set it down nicely. And then take it off like that. And that's how you remove a G37 Coupe trunk.